Guys, Nick Miller here today, Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2019 JLG 460 SJ. This unit has 2,296 hours on it. Guys, I have a couple of these coming up for sale, or two are for sale. This will be the last 460 that I have coming up. These are not reborn machines, and that has been a question that we've been asked on the other ones. These are 2019 year models. They are brand new in 2019. They aren't 2008 chassis that were refurbed. 2019, 2,296 hours, and these units are loaded up very, very nice. They have some options that I've looked that other units do not have in the marketplace for sale right now. So, 2019 460 SJ, straight jib boom machine. They are going to have SkyWelder, which they also have the bigger generator on them. They're a 7,500 watt generator. These are going to have SkyWelder kits with them. So this unit has a Miller, I think that's a CTS 280 stick welder with leads. They have the SkyGlazer Kit, and they're also going to have SkyGuard. They also have 3-foot by 8-foot platforms, side entry gates. This unit is inspected. Annual is until June of 25, which was done in June of 25, so it's good until June of 26. Guys, very nice, clean unit, foam-filled tires. We're going to start here right underneath the engine compartment. I'm going to take you completely around this machine. So under the hood of this unit, it is going to be powered by the Deutz 2.9 L4. 4-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. We did go right to JLG and we bought a factory filter kit. So it give us air filters, it give us engine oil, fuel, there's another fuel on the other side, give us the pilot filter there, and then on the other side to give us the tank filter. Again, starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Here is your generator system. Does have a breaker down here. Right here is on and off. Hydrostatic pump, swing gear. Everything there is in very, very nice condition. The hood on this machine is very nice, very straight. It's not busted, cracked, split, anything like that. Counterweight is in beautiful shape. Again, it is all original. Drive motors are not leaking. Steering cylinder not leaking. Does have your front oscillating axle. Again, this side cover also very, very nice condition. You're going to have your valve bank. You're going to have your swing drive, which you can see there, gear and everything's very nice shape. No leaks. You're going to have your emergency down. Had a new battery done. 2,147 hours on 10/25 of 24. Again, we changed all the filters. We did the tank filter, the breather, come in a nice kit. 7/30 of 2025, the annual inspection was done, so it's good until 7/30 of 2026. Fuel tank, another fuel filter back in there. I do want to do this. We unhook these when they go in the shop, because that alarm is annoying when we're starting them and moving in the shop. Landon, that was your fault.
Sorry.
2,296 hours. We're going to start it here so you can see we have no error codes. We'll walk you around the rest of the machine. No leaks on the main boom cylinder. The track is in nice shape. No leaks on this jib cylinder. Down at the hydraulic basket swivel, no leaks. We do have here the CST 280 stick welder. Very nice shape. Does come with a set of leads. Up here at the control box, very nice condition. This does have two 110 outlets on this side, and it also has your 220 plug, where we currently have the welder plugged in too. You will see it has the tray up here, which is very nice. You can set cups, your drills, different tools can be laid there. Right here is your SkyGlazer Kit. You can set a window, a sheet of plywood, whatever on there. Right here is your side entry gate. Guys, this time I'm going to start the machine, start the generator, and show you that the welder powers up. So, to energize the welder, we're going to go ahead, we're going to flip the button for the generator system. We will go ahead and power up the welder. Welder comes on, and we have tested all the welders. We have the leads all zip tied up. Everything's going to be complete, stinger and ground. Okay, we'll power the welder back down and shut the gen set off. Guys, this time I'm going to go ahead, run all the ground controls for you so you can see everything works, and then I'm going to go to the basket. So you should be able to hear me. So here is boom up. Here's going to be telescopic boom. And we'll run boom back in. Jib up. Jib down. Then you have a level function here that we can actually level the basket whenever the jib is out. And that function there, you can see, flip the right switch, there you go. Then we are going to have up, down. Then we are down to swing. Bring the main boom back down. Now, we're going to shut that off, and we're going to head up here now, and we're going to go to platform. And we are going to go ahead and pull our emergency stop up. We're going to go ahead and start this machine. Well, we're going to go ahead and put it through its paces here to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. I'm going to shoot my jib up. Now keep in mind, I do have this thing in rabbit. There again, I want to be able to show you that it does everything it's supposed to do. We can take this machine and put it into turtle mode, which I will show you here in a second. Boom out. With a jib style boom, you can see all the awkward positions that you can actually put this machine in is pretty incredible. So you can see here what I'm doing. Obviously, I'm still booming up as I'm rotating. Now, when you bring a machine like this around this far and you want to drive it, there is a lock button that you have to push up here to lock everything in low gear, basically. Bring myself back in here a little bit. These are a 360-degree continuous turntable. Now, one thing I will do here right now, since I am swung to the side, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to drive. And it's telling me, push your lock switch, which I just did. And it's going to lock us in low range. So I showed you that that works. So the nice thing with these jib booms versus the straight, which the jib has become one of the most popular lifts out there in my opinion. A lot of guys will believe that. I can rotate this basket, I can get wherever I need to be here. It's like if you're working on this building, you can kind of see. If I needed to exit right now and get out on that roof, I could do that. where the jib looks nice if I need to come on down. I have that ability with that jib versus a straight boom. I can get a lot closer to objects and whatnot. So we'll go ahead, bring ourselves on back around. So you can see there the basket swivels the way it's supposed to. And again, we do take a lot of time, a lot of pride in doing these videos. This is not something that we are out doing for publicity or for anything like that. This is truthfully to help the buyer's experience when you're buying a piece of equipment. You can see that we're running this machine around. You can see that every function works. There are a lot of guys out there who will not take the time to do anything anywhere near like what we do. So here, guys, is high range, full throttle. So now I've just taken down, that is high speed, low throttle. So we'll show you that works backwards also. And then high throttle, high torque. So you can see that works all functions. Back into high speed. Bring my boom back up, set my jib down. Square my man basket up here. Now, again, I am on Rabbit, so let me go ahead and click myself into snail mode. Snail mode then activates. So basically what snail mode's going to do is it's going to slow all my speeds down, and there I just sped it back up. I'll show you here I'm sped, and now I'm in snail. And we're going to bring ourselves back down. Horn works. Again, that alarm was the alarm we had unplugged there because we unplugged them in our shop. Now, we're going to restart the unit. We have no distress signals, we have no error codes, and one step further, gen set up here. There again, I turned it on earlier, just want everybody to see that. Again, guys, we take a lot of time to do these videos. I do feel that the time we spend here is time and energy and money and everything efficient to do this. I think it's a good thing. There's just not a lot of guys that take the time to do this, but yet we still have customers calling. They're like, "Oh, is it really the way you show it?" And it's like, I don't know. Where are we at, Landon? 14, 15 minutes, probably. So, there again, I took this time out of my day. Landon and I were over here for 20 minutes, took pictures, went, got the camera equipment. We come over, we shoot the video until I get back over and process it, post it to YouTube. I mean, it takes several hours, and we do that for each individual piece that we sell. There again, we're just trying to make a difference in what we do. But this is located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania. I am the owner. This is not a machine that is being brokered by somebody. I own this equipment. Guys, if you're looking for a couple of these, let us know. Be glad to fix you up. One thing that I have ordered that will be installed is a fire extinguisher. It will be mounted on the basket there with the at the fire extinguisher mounting point. They are on all the other ones, and there's a brand new one will be put on this one. It just hasn't came yet. Guys, if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.